Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect MetaMask to Castle Crush, updated. Open MetaMask, unlock your wallet, then switch to the network Castle Crush uses and refresh the game page. Click the Connect Wallet button, confirm the permission prompt, and choose the correct account. If a signature request appears, read it carefully before approving. I'll guide you through each click so you can connect safely and confidently. Before you connect, make sure MetaMask is set up and unlocked, and that you have the right network selected. Open the wallet, confirm your account, and check that you have any required funds or tokens for approvals. If Castle Crush needs a custom RPC, add it by entering the network details manually. Keeping MetaMask updated prevents compatibility issues and helps ensure a smooth connection when the D app requests access to your account. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support more updates and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless to keep your setup tidy while you play. Its smart navigation and hands-free routines save time and hassle, which is perfect when you want uninterrupted gaming. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With MetaMask ready, go to Castle Crush and locate the Connect Wallet button in the game menu. Click it, then switch to MetaMask where a connection prompt appears. Pick the account to link and confirm. If a signature or transaction pops up, read the details and approve only what the game needs. If anything looks suspicious, cancel and review. These steps keep your account secure while letting you play with blockchain features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.